The Honda Accord's display audio system, introduced in 2013 and later models, serves as a central hub for navigation, audio playback, and vehicle settings. Common issues like touchscreen freezing, unresponsiveness, or connectivity drops can often be resolved through system resets. First, a soft reboot simply restarts the system without losing data. Hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. Second, a hard reset disconnects power. For 2018 and newer models, locate and remove fuse number 35 in the engine bay for about 30 seconds. Third, a factory reset erases all user data and restores the system to defaults. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset, and enter the PIN, which is often 000 or 1111. Remember to always perform any reset while the vehicle is parked and the engine is off for safety. If basic resets don't resolve touchscreen issues, start by calibrating the screen through Settings and Touchscreen Calibration. Alternatively, clean the touchscreen gently with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris. Honda has introduced over-the-air updates to fix touchscreen lag and other issues in 2020 to 2024 Accord models. These updates are delivered through the My Honda Plus app. Before performing a factory reset, back up your data using the My Honda Plus app to prevent losing saved settings, destinations, and other information. Keep in mind that performing resets will not impact your vehicle's safety systems, such as airbags or brakes. For specific instructions tailored to your Accord model, refer to your owner's manual or visit Honda's official website. If issues continue despite these steps, contact a certified Honda professional to ensure proper servicing and maintain your warranty coverage.